How to hide any post on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide any post on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find this post and select any post you want and then just click these 3 points, and after you click on it just click I don't want to see this I don't want to see this and click on it and then click hide post. And as you see, the post has been hidden, and it's easy of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.